Here's some benefits with the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. Offers several benefits that make compelling choice for content creators, especially those involved in live stream. Compact size. The mini smaller form factors in ideal streaming with limited desk space for those who need to transport the equipment frequently. Its portability does not come at expense of functionality. It retains all core features of the larger counterparts. Customizability. Each of the 6 keys in the Mini can be customized to trigger multiple actions with a single press. This includes launching media, switching scenes, adjusting audio on the fly. Level customization allows streamers to optimize their setup accordingly to their unique needs. Ease of setup. Setting the stream up is straightforward, requiring only a USB connection, computer, and basic configuring Elgato Stream Deck app. The app is user-friendly, supporting drag and drop functionality. Cost effectiveness. Compared to larger variants, the Mini is more affordable, making it an entry point for people new to streaming or for those who don't require more than 6 programmable keys. Streamlined workflow. With Stream Deck Mini, streamers can manage their entire broadcast setup without reverting to keyboard shortcuts on your device. This helps creating a professional and error streaming experience. Software support. The device supports a wide range of streaming platforms, including OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and the like. Overall, the Elgato Stream Deck Mini serves as a powerful tool for streamers looking to enhance their broadcast quality and efficiency. So that pretty much does it for my rundown. The Elgato Stream Deck Mini. Ryan Dalton, signing off.